Hey everybody, I wanted to make sure that you knew how to find your activities that have been assigned to you in VHL Central. So once you sign in, you should see something that looks like this. I've gone ahead and made a fake class, so you can see my fake class, and I am in a fake student account that I've created, just so you can see what it should look like when you're going in to find your activities. So once you've logged in, you're going to go ahead and click on your book, and that should take you to your dashboard. Now your dashboard is going to give you information, okay? And this little plus and minus symbol, the plus symbol just means to expand it out so that you can see exactly what's due on that date. So it tells you that you have 4 assignments on Sunday, April 5th. It's going to give you the title of the section that they're coming from, and it's going to tell you the approximate time it's going to take you to do it. I can tell you that a lot of times that time is a lot longer than you actually need, especially on the review activities, but it'll also tell you where it's what time it's due. You can go ahead and you can hit start from here, okay? The other way that you can find, there's 2 other ways that you can find the things that you need to be working on. Number 1, you can go right up here to content and go to activities. Once you're in activities, you're going to choose your chapter over here. So if you know, for instance, Spanish 2, right, we're wrapping up chapter 4. So I'm going to go ahead and click on chapter 4. And then you can search by section. So for this particular demonstration, I only assigned things inside of contextos, which is your vocab. Now, if you wanted to see, so you can see here, let me just scroll down. So I assigned some for today, and you can just simply start them from here. So you can click on it and it'll take you to that activity. You can also look to see in the other sections if you have anything assigned. In this case, for the fake student in my fake class, they do not have anything assigned. You guys definitely do have different things assigned within the chapter, so you can check there, okay? The other way, besides the dashboard, and if we wanted to get to the dashboard from this location, we would simply click back right here, and if you see, if I hover, it says back to dashboard. So I click. It takes me back to my dashboard. The other thing that you can do is you can go to the calendar and you can see your activities on the calendar. So if I scroll down, you can see that on the 31st, okay, that I put 5 vocab activities due. You can simply click it and it'll start you on those activities, okay? To get back to the calendar, you can simply hit return to calendar, or you can just click right up here. Oops, sorry. And this will return you all the way back to the beginning. Okay. Now I'm going to click the book to get back in. If I go back on calendar, just so that you can see this, we're in March. So I've got 5 vocab activities there. Should take me about 31 minutes. Although again, those times tend to be a little bit longer than you actually need. If I want to see April, I just click on this arrow right here. And I can see in April that I've got 4 vocab activities due. That'll roughly take me about 30 minutes or less on the 5th. All right. Anytime you want to go back to the dashboard, you can always go back to the picture, hover over it. If it says back to the dashboard, you just click. Okay. So hopefully that was helpful to you. You can also see grades once they start coming in. I did not put any grades in for my fake student, but you can look at the grade book there. All right, hopefully that was helpful. If you need any other help, you can contact me, or if you're not one of my students, you can contact your teacher and they'll be able to help you from here.